Right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going out in this 1986 205 GTI. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. So we are in the car. Luke is back.
Hi.
We're
Oh God!
and we've destroyed. Oh my God! What's happened there?
Hold on. No, it's this. This was like this earlier. There you go. Oh, that really hurt.
What car are we in today, Luke?
It's a Peugeot. It's a GTI. It's a 205 GTI. And it's 1600cc.
Yeah. No power steering.
Or 1580cc.
And you feel that straight away. I'll tell you what though, where you turn, it definitely turns. It's like a little go-kart.
Right, should we head up here then?
Yes. Air conditioning's really good.
There.
Oh, sorry mate. Alright, let's gonna do our road.
We'll do it on the way down.
Yeah, the aircon's really good.
Oh no!
No understeer though.
I can't move forward.
To be fair, moves through a 1.6, doesn't it?
I don't know what the brake situation's like. I'm assuming you're finding out as
They're
we
working.
speak.
They are definitely working.
We are slowing down.
We are slowing down.
God, it is hot in
Yeah, I
this
think
car.
we might have to. Where's the?
Well, mate, we can't.
Oh my God, it's got electric windows. Yeah.
There's your I am uncomfortable.
Yeah. Let's do this. Does it feel how does it feel for you in the passenger seat?
I feel like I'm in a Yaris, just going way faster
I'll
than
tell you what, it does actually drive well. How old is this car? What year did that say?
Now you might have to shut the window.
Not say up that corner, in that corner.
1986.
Wow. It's older than me. I mean, actually, when we was down there, it does move, but now we're trying.
Oh, I can see your foot.
Sort of, we're like flat out now.
Oh
flat
dear. Well, we're going uphill.
We are going up here, that's very true. I can hear a lot of wind noise.
Yeah, I feel like my door's not shut properly. Oh no! Some of the noise stopped when I pulled the door in. No, it's 1989. This is what it's a
86.
Did I just say
86.
1986?
I was born 89.
Oh, that's a shame. It's only just older than you. Well, if it's any consolation, I think you've aged better than the car has.
Thanks. I actually got told I looked 28 the other day. I guess that's something.
Were they walking along like this?
I'll tell you what, I like the fact that it's got no power steering.
I find the thing with power steering is that when you're up to speed, it starts feeling like a proper car.
Yeah. This is you literally feel the road. Feel all of the road in this. The cassette deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, six tape cassette deck.
And a CD player.
I bet that was top of the range back in the day. Ashtray,
Jesus.
memory card.
Does an SD card in the memory card? Does that come with the car? In the memory card?
Digital clock.
It's
I'm surprised it's got electric windows.
It's 3LU o'clock. I like it.
I like it as well.
This would be funny to like rag around in.
I'll tell you what, it's quite comfortable actually. It's like lazy boys.
And you know what? Got a lot of room in the back.
How does it feel as a passenger?
I'll be honest with you, I don't know why, but I feel like I'm sitting like this, like wonky.
Really?
It's just, yeah, it's forced me into that position. It's very comfy, although it does feel really uncomfortable that the doors are so thin, but I suppose
Yeah, it's just old.
we used to drive in new cars that have got like this much thickness. Does it have a horn? I love the way you're gripping onto the steering wheel for dear life. What's that?
I can't find the
I want to press the blue button, but I don't know what it is.
Ejecto Cedo
Yeah, I was about to say the same thing. So what's this?
That's a lighter.
Oh, what? What?
Oh.
I was like,
James, don't watch this video. Where's the horn?
might not have one.
Oh,
I really want to.
oh no, look. Ah, there it is. It's on the stalk. You push the stalk in. No, like actually, like the whole stalk.
Oh, that's weird. I love it. I would literally love to just drive around in this.
I think that is actually aircon.
Was this a luxury car? I suppose it kind of could have been because it was a GTI.
Like the top of the range, wasn't it? Oh, I didn't notice the sunroof.
I think so.
And now I can put it back down.
Ah!
Let's turn that man round.
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. It all feels just a bit questionable. And I drive a Scooby around.
Just
I know what questionable feels like.
just old, isn't it? Not old, but like it's not that old.
It kind of is. In what,
But,
how old is it?
Yeah, I guess it would have been
It's 40.
40, 32.
Sorry, 32. Yeah. Oh, steering is heavy at
It's heavy.
low speeds, isn't it?
Oh, you are right though. When you're not driving it, it's quite comfortable.
Yeah, but it's like any car. You get used to it after driving it for a little bit.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's not fast by today's standards. It does have a bit of poke about it though.
I suppose cars like this age nowadays are more about their kind of handling and stuff,
Yeah.
aren't
Just hot hatches now, just
they? Everything's done by technology.
just something else as well, isn't it? It's getting to a point where hot hatches are becoming as quick as supercars.
Well, have you seen
even faster.
you seen that they're bringing out an AMG A45
Did see that, yeah.
RS and it does 205 miles an hour.
How can you put that many letters on it?
Yeah, no, it's ridiculous, isn't
200 and what?
it? 205 miles an hour, I think it does.
Yeah.
God, the steering wheel feels like it's on like a spring, doesn't it? Yeah, 205. So that literally proves your point exactly. Although that will probably cost like 65 grand. So
Yeah.
that's not hot hatch prices. Ah, where's the indicator? Oh yeah, I'm not driving it.
Driving your car.
Right, come in.
Let's go!
It feels like you're going really fast.
It's actually nippy.
It just feels like it because it's so small.
It's made of nothing.
It does feel, it feels like a heavy car though.
I think, yeah.
Because that's because there's no plastic
I'm
on
guessing
it.
it's not. I'm guessing it's not very heavy at all. But
I don't know what's up
there's
here.
no power steering. Verdict?
I like it. I'll be honest, I couldn't. I said this at the beginning of the video that I could drive it daily, but I don't think I could.
No, I don't think I could.
I've been spoilt by the power steering.
I would want to. Like, I would want to drive it daily because I think it's such a cool looking retro car, but it would not annoy the fuck out of me, I think.
Yeah, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love it and it drives really, really well for its age. But I just can't deal with the no power steering, I'm sorry.
Well, I
apologise.
Guess that's a wrap. See you on the next one.
Laters.
Moving James